What the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Nothing in life is impossible. Similarly, trading success will come to you when you follow the trading plan with discipline. You will manage risk, cut the losses, and letting winners run. You will always do a self-study, regularly analyzing your closed trades by way of doing a trading journal. Learning from the trading journal, what can you do differently on your next trade? What did go right and what did go wrong? And how you can avoid your mistakes. Basic Bindle effect rules for taking a long trade, i.e. buy. First of all, you have to identify support and resistance levels. This is the starting point, without which you cannot proceed further. For you to buy, there must be a strong support. If there is no support, you can simply not think of buying, period. There must be a break of resistance. Only consider buying when there is a break of resistance. Once you have identified the support and resistance levels, next stage is to identify a 1 to 3 setup on a higher time frame. The 1 to 3 setup has to be at the ribbon or the trigger or the pivot point. Once you have identified the 1 to 3, you need to draw the potential break of 2 to 3 line and wait for this break to occur. Once the break of 2 to 3 line happens, identify the break candle. And now zoom to the lower time frame and look for a mini pullback. Once the mini pullback happens, you are now looking for a reversal, a momentum to the upside. So when there is a break of the break, you're looking to take the trade. As soon as you have entered the market with a buy order, you set your stops, you set your targets, take profit 1 and take profit 2. And then simply manage the trade. If the trade is going your way, let it run. Do not snatch the profit unless you can see a reversal signal. If the trade is not doing what you expect it to do, manage the trade. Don't wait for the stops to be hit. I hope this basic mind programming audio will help you to achieve success on a consistent basis. God bless and happy trading. What the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Nothing in life is impossible. Trading success will come to you when you follow the trading plan with discipline. You will manage risk, cut the losses, and let the winners run. You'll always do a self-study, regularly doing trading journals and learning from it. Here are the basic Bindle effect rules for taking a short trade, i.e. a sell. First of all, to begin with, you need to identify your support and resistance levels. So for you to sell, there must be resistance up above. You cannot go short unless the resistance is up there. It should be followed by a break of support. When the support breaks, you have a much better chance of going into profit as early as possible. You then identify a 1 to 3 setup on a higher time frame. The 1 to 3 setup must be either at a ribbon or trigger or a pivot point. Draw the potential break of the 2 to 3 line. Once the break of the 2 to 3 line happens, identify the break candle. Now this level is very important. Draw a horizontal straight line. And now you need to zoom over onto the lower time frame and look for a mini pullback. After the mini pullback, look for the momentum to the downside, and then when there is a break of the break, you take the trade. As soon as the trade's taken, you set your stops, set your targets. Your targets are take profit 1 and take profit 2, and simply move on. Manage the trade. If the price action is not doing what you expect it to do, get out. If the price action is doing what you expect it to do, let the system work for you. Do not snatch the profits. As the prices are moving more and more in your favor, the profits are going up, trail the stops. You can set this at auto level and literally go for a walk. You do not need to be glued to the system and watch every pip and every move. Trading mastery is a child's play. You need to have belief in your trading system. You need to have confidence in your trading system. And you need to follow it with discipline. God bless and happy trading.